God's house out of worship, building his house out of praise. When we sing and clap our hands, we're building a dwelling place. He inhabits the praise of his people.
It was really bad and I wish I'd never looked. What I need to read is in that precious holy book.
Good news is, Jesus saved the sin that bound me. There was once a baby in a stable long ago, where his mother gently laid him on the hay. The angels sang his praises so the whole wide world would know Jesus Christ was born in Bethlehem that day. In Babylon long years ago, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego knew idol worship was the king's desire.
I guess that's how this world satisfies its soul. For a servant's heart will give away everything it has for the chance to say.